Welcome to my channel. UniFi Access Point. How do you set up a Ubiquiti access point? The installation of Ubiquiti access points may seem difficult. That's why we'll help you with this step-by-step plan. Connect your Ubiquiti access point. With these 3 steps, you can install the access points within 10 minutes. These are the steps. Step 1, mount your access point. Step 2, connect the cables to your access point. Step 3, install your network. Step 1, mount your access point. Hold the mounting plate of your access point against the wall. When the air bubble is exactly in the middle, you can be sure that your mounting plate is level. Drill 4 holes of 8 mm in the wall, put in the plugs, and attach your mounting plate with screws. Want to mount the access point to the ceiling? You'll have to drill 6 mm holes. Step 2, connect the cables. Then, connect your access point with a network cable. If necessary, drill a hole with an 18 mm diameter below your mounting plate. Attach the access point at an angle to the left and twist it to the right until you hear it click. You've now installed your access point. Step 3, set up your network. Before you can use the access points, you have to set them up via the UniFi app. You can find this app on Play Store or App Store. Step 3, set up your network. When you open the app and turn on Location Services, then, tap Setup and rename your access point and click Next. It'll now connect to your access point. This takes about 2 minutes. From now on, you can find your new access point in the second menu at the bottom of the screen.